Hi boys and girls, this is the practice video for your stretchy snake. This is your time to practice. So we're going to start with the word at the top of the page, and I want you to sound out each part of the word. Sound out the first sound, the second sound, the third sound, and then you run your finger underneath it to put all the sounds together. Watch Mrs. T as she does it. Et, met. All right. And we're going to go down to the next word, and I want you to do the three sounds. Now run your finger underneath them and put all the sounds together. The word that you should have said is den. Now try the next sound. All right, the word that you should have said is bed. Bed. Okay, on to the next word. Try the first sound, the second sound, and third sound. Now push all the sounds together, running your finger underneath the word. The word you should have said is red. Okay, on to the next word. Mrs. T is going to use her cursor to point to the sounds. You are saying the sounds. And now you are running your finger underneath the word, pushing all the sounds together. The word that you should have said is yet. The word that you should have said is get. The word that you should have said is hid. Hid. The word that you should have said is fit. The word that you should have said is dip. The word that you should have said is win. The word that you should have said is sit. The word that you should have said is dig. Dig. The word that you should have said is mop. The word that you should have said is pot. Pot. The word that you should have said is log. Log. The word that you should have said is dot. Dot. The word that you should have said is mob. Mob. The word that you should have said is box. Box. The word that you should have said is cut. Cut. The word that you should have said is fun. Fun. The word that you should have said is pup. Pup. The word that you should have said is sun. The word that you should have said is bud. Bud. The word that you should have said is rug. All right, boys and girls, great job. Good job practicing your CVC words with stretchy snake.